Mike Coello from Coello Associates is here to give us some tips on how to keep our garage floors and other concrete surfaces looking good longer. Good to see you, Mike.
Good morning, Greg.
Finished garages seem to be the trend in new construction now, including garage floors. What's involved in keeping our garage floors looking good for as long as possible?
All exterior concrete requires maintenance. Because we live in a northern climate, our concrete has some unique characteristics. One of the things that is used in concrete in this region is an admixture called air entrainment. This adds some flexibility to the concrete to cope with the freeze-thaw situations that we may experience. The bad side of that is it adds little tiny air bubbles to the concrete, which makes it more porous.
Okay, so if it's porous, will water, chemicals, and salt from your vehicle seep into the concrete?
That is exactly the problem. Like most building materials that come in contact with water, concrete will deteriorate, especially if that water that's inside the concrete freezes. Water also acts as a good conduit to bring with it corrosive chemicals that can destroy the concrete. De-icing chemicals are extremely corrosive to concrete. In fact, I've seen during some harsh winters where they have actually eaten away a concrete sealer and then start deteriorating the surface.
Okay, so what do we need to do to the concrete to combat this?
The most economical course of action is to seal the concrete floor. The first thing you're going to want to do is wash the concrete surface with a mild soap and make sure it dries thoroughly. I prefer power washing off the surface to remove any contaminants or any loose concrete. Then apply the sealer with a hand pump sprayer or a paint roller, making sure that it doesn't puddle. Now if you have older concrete and you seal it, this may bring back some of its former luster.
Okay, great information. Thanks, Mike. If you'd like more information, contact Mike or his great staff at 262-650-1300 or visit their award-winning website at portfoundations.com.